Hi fellas, welcome back to Joesin Translation YouTube channel. I'm happy that I can meet you again to give you a new lesson. In this video, this lesson will help you out to understand more English pronunciation. We are going to explain you with a very detailed sound variety of English. Having given you a several sound explanation theoretically and practically, hopefully that right now your pronunciation is slightly changing into English sounds like. So in this part, we're all going to learn the sound of O. Okay, like O sound. Oke, apakah suara O ini seperti halnya dalam bahasa Indonesia? Kita lihat saja, kita langsung saja mulai. Let's get started. Yup. Nah, variasi suara O. Dalam bahasa Inggris ada dua variasi suara O. Nah, suara O ini dalam bahasa Inggris tidak seperti halnya dalam bahasa Indonesia ya. Nah, suara O ini dibaca O. Bukan O, tapi O. O. Like bo, bukan botak, tapi bobot. Nah, bobot seperti itu. Seperti kata bobot. Lalu kemudian O panjang. Oke, jadi ada titik dua, maka kita ucapkan panjang. Kita akan mulai penjelasannya satu demi satu dari dua variasi suara ini. Kita mulai dari yang pertama, yaitu adalah O yang dibaca pendek. Oke, O yang dibaca pendek. Alright, so jadi pronunciation of O, especially for a short one, O dibaca pendek, tapi tidak seperti dalam bahasa Indonesia. Tapi ini mirip seperti suara O botol. Bukan O, but botol. Then, let's take a look. Bagaimana untuk keejaan suara O sendiri? Suara O lebih banyak ditemukan pada ejaan huruf O, namun terkadang ada juga di huruf A. Coba perhatikan pada contoh berikut ini. We can start from O. Spelling, bottle, box, chocolate, clock, coffee, copy, cost, doctor, dock, gone, got, holiday. You got it? Cool. And then A, want, wash, watch, and what. Semoga ini bisa menjadi acuan. Oke, kapanpun kalian temukan ada ejaan huruf O dan A, bisa jadi suaranya adalah O. Lalu selanjutnya, di sini bagaimana suara O pendek ini berada pada frasa atau kalimat yang pendek. Contohnya, have you got a lot of shopping? Have you got a lot of shopping? And then the following, John's gone to the shops. John's gone to the shops. How much did your holiday cost? How much did your holiday cost? And then the last one, how much is the hot coffee? How much is the hot coffee? All right. Okay, cool. And then the following here, how then we can sound the O sound in a long sentence. Take a look to any word colored red. And then this will give some impact on your pronunciation for sure. So let's get started. I will start with a very slow speed. I bought a bottle of iced coffee at coffee shop yesterday. It cost very cheap, only 1,000 rupiah. Then I wanted to know what made the price so cheap. And the seller said, they had such a great deal at specific hour, 10 to 11 a.m. Now let's make it faster. I bought a bottle of iced coffee at coffee shop yesterday. It cost very cheap, only 1,000 rupiah. Then I wanted to know what made the price so cheap. And the seller said they had such a great deal at specific hour, 10 to 11 a.m. Nah, itu adalah penjelasan dari suara O pendek. Alright? Okay, lalu kemudian kita move to the other one. O with a long sound. O. Nah, ejaan dari suara O panjang ini cukup banyak. Yang pertama ada di huruf A, like all, ball, call, fall, tall, water. Atau ada di ejaan A dan L, talk, walk, L-nya kita hilangkan suaranya. Talk, walk. Lalu A dan U, autumn. N-nya kita hilangkan. Autumn. Lalu kemudian A and W, saw. And then A-U-G-H, seperti caught, daughter, taught. And then oak, bought, thought. AR, quarter, warm. O dan R, born, corner, 40, horse, short, sort. Double O and R, like door, floor. And then O, R, and E, before, more. And the last one, O, U, and R, for. So it sounds clear, right? The difference between O and aw. Okay? There are a lot of spellings of all sound, but don't get confused. Once you get used to it and try to, analyze more English passage and try to guess what it sounds like, then you will get it. All right? So the following, after knowing the spelling, we can see the aw sound in short phrase or a sentence. 4:15. Have some more. Walking on water. The fourth door and the fourth floor. Okay, it's kind of cool, right? Okay, now the following here. What if we sound aw with a long aw, okay, in a long passages? Like for example, I will start with very slow speed. When we were playing football, I played as a goalkeeper. I wasn't tall, but I could jump higher. When my friend kicked the ball at the edge of the goal, I caught it easily. Before the first half, the score was goalless. I thought my team was supposed to change their strategy, and we scored the early goal from corner set. Okay? So I will make it quick. When we were playing football, I played as a goalkeeper. I wasn't tall, but I could jump higher. When my friend kicked the ball at the edge of the goal, I caught it easily. Before the first half, the score was goalless. I thought my team was supposed to change the strategy, and we scored at the early goal from corner set. So it sounds clear, right? Oke, itu saja yang bisa kita jelaskan untuk suara O dalam bahasa Inggris. Huruf vokal ini semoga bisa membantu kamu untuk bicara lebih baik lagi. So, apabila kalian masih ingin belajar pronunciation, tentu saja kalian bisa cek di website kita www.joesintranslation.com dan tentu saja semua materi ada di sana. Oke, kita ketemu lagi di video yang lain everyone. See you international and sociable people by then. Dah.